Hi, right, welcome back. Get that out of there. So, last video you probably would have seen that. This video anyway, or part of it, is going to be that. So we've gone from a T2 to a T4. Just let me drop the ramp down. As you can see, got quite a lot on it. Tell a bit of paint there. Doesn't look the best. So basically in this video I'm just going to walk you around, show you what we are going to be doing, and then in the next videos hopefully we can show what we have been doing and vice versa. Might make more sense then. So, usual transporter. Wings. Got some growth in there, whatever's going on behind there. We'll have to have a look at that, which will be charming, no doubt. Arches, sill piece, the actual van itself is pretty straight, to be honest. It's had a couple of paint jobs in the past, not the best. The last one looks like it's sunk really bad. I don't know if it'll show up that well on camera. Quite a bit of micro blistering on two or three of the panels there by the looks of it, so that'll have to be bare metaled. So basically what we've got, my camera work isn't the best, is it? Basically what we've got is this is the rear arch. As you can see, not the best. Now with a lot of these, because we tend to do quite a lot of these, so we kind of tend to find the same things wrong with them all the time. So if we just grab a screwdriver quickly, just go back. So normally, we have had a couple that have been a bit worse, but normally it's just the outer skin is the main issue, and then we can kind of get away with the inners normally. So like stuff like that's mainly the outer. You can see in there we've just gone in there again, not the best, but the inner piece so far anyway, to get rid of that outer piece. The inner piece is pretty solid. So you can see in there. So hopefully a lot of that will clean up. We might have to do a few little repairs here and there, but nothing major. Make a couple of bits up. So usual thing again on the other side, identical. This one's gone a bit more down here. But if you look, it's mainly the outer piece again, like you see. But the inner, again, is very strong. So I don't know where. Bit odd, isn't it, really, that one? So yeah, without waffling on too much, underneath the sliding door, don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can see that. It's all the way along. We pulled the rubber off just to have a look. It's all full of rust. Couple of little bits in there. Again, we're going to put new wings on anyway, so that deals with that bit, and then we've just got this piece here then. Hopefully we just get away with cutting that piece out and just putting new pieces in. So we've got loads of new panels. New panels there and here. So we'll make a start on them and we'll talk you through it as we go along. Right, back again. Again, this is probably just carrying on for you, but I just remembered we've done a bit more on the red transporter, so I figured we better show you where we are. Just dropping the ramp down, as you can see. Right, that'll do for now. So basically we've cut it all out, we've got a few repairs going in, a few bits of tidying up, that type of thing. Again, I will show what I can, it just depends on who's doing what side and who's doing what. Not everybody wants to be on camera is the reason for that. So you can see inside here, it's not too bad inside, a little bit here. A little bit there, look. Got a new piece going in there, and we've had to cut a piece out of there because it's not very good. So basically a bit of a mess really, like, but we've got that's the piece that we've cut out from inside the wheel arch. This piece here did go there, but we made a nice new piece for that just to make it a bit better. And this here, I'll turn the camera around 1 second. That bit there, if you can see that, that's all sealer. I don't think it quite needed that much, but what happens is it kind of traps the water behind it if you're not careful, which is what's happened here, and just rotted that corner away. But what they've done is they've not done it on the inside, so whatever runs down, condensation and stuff like that, just rots it out, so you don't stand a chance really. So we're going to do some repairs on that, get my words out, do a few repairs on that. Hopefully we'll have them done tomorrow, and the rear quarter should be just about there, probably, hopefully. And we'll get this one stitched back up. We've got it, there's that one. We'll get it stitched back up, tidied up, and then move on to the other side. We've got a little bit more the other side, a little bit on the sill, but we can't really do that. I don't want to get stuff all inside the vehicle, so I'm kind of, we'll do one job, clean that off, go on the other side, and then I can fill the other side with fire blankets once we've done, and then get the windscreen guy around, get the screens out, get the windows out. Yeah, the interior on this van is very, very clean. I want to try and leave it that way if we can, so we're just going to try and be careful with it. We'll do the quarters, get the wheels back on, and then move forward. So right, I'll keep jumping back in on these little videos. This is what, 3-4 minutes there. I'll keep jumping back in so you can see where we're going with it. Yeah, I'll be back soon then. Hi, right, welcome back. Police running in the background, so that's what that noise is if you're interested. So where we left off with this one, we've just dealt with them, put a couple of pieces in, put a piece in there as well. So that's that done now. We come around the other side quickly. So similar sort of process to the other side. We've cut this one off. So this side's a lot better, even though it's the curb side, so bonus there somewhere. So I've got some little bits to repair down here, a little bit there, Yeah, so we'll get them organised. We'll get them partially fitted. We should be able to fit both them quarters, and then we'll move on to the front end because we're waiting on a sill piece turning up. Now you can see it. So I might have already shown you that in the video already, I can't remember. Got that much going on, it's trying to remember which bits I've left in the videos, which bits I've not put in the videos, and we'll get there in the end, won't we? So yeah, hopefully we'll get them organised, and then we can start stripping the front then. Yeah, and I'll be back soon. Put that back up there. Back soon. Alright, welcome back. Hopefully that's somewhat working there. So, transporter, we've got this side off. Basically, we've got this one ready and cleaned. We're not going to fit that side just yet. We're waiting on a sill panel. So as you can see, the panel's already set up. Holes wise, that type of thing. It's already ready. It's just we need this sill piece to see how far it comes back into this panel and stuff like that. Yeah, so I'm going to get that organised. As soon as that's here, we'll carry back on. These videos are carry back on, but this is kind of like a start. I've kind of walked around. It'll be a short video, this one, and then we'll show a bit more on the next one. Hopefully that panel's what we think it is, because that can be anything. We think we've got the right one. There's 2 or 3 different types, left hand, right hand, everything. So that'll just speed that up if we can get a little panel for that. They're only about 30 quid, so there's no point making one. So yeah, and then we'll get that done as well. So that'll be kind of it for this video with the Transporter T4, the red one. Trying to remember where I am. I've got a few things on the go. If I haven't already said it, apologise if I have, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and give us a thumbs up or down, whatever you're into. This one's proving quite charming, that one. Yeah, I don't know if I've already said or not, because we filmed these over quite a long time or not, but that one, instead of being a solid red, it's actually going a metallic red. So they want to completely repaint it, but we've got to do all the welding and everything first, and then once we've kind of finished with the back, we'll start stripping the front out, and then kind of work forward with it all, and then hopefully by that point people have got behind it, and then working the bodywork as we go, so it's not too bad. The MG, just a little jump in there. That's on its way as well. You may have already seen that video actually, depending on which way around these go, I can't remember. Do you know what? I think you have. Yeah. If you haven't, it'll be on the channel somewhere anyway. One of these things up here or whatever. Compressor. So yeah, anyway, waffling. I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully we've got a bit more. The bay window's just about done. We're waiting on wheels. They've been to the powder coat. The customer wanted the powder coating. When that comes back, we can get that back built back up and sorted out. That'll probably make more sense in this videos going forward anyway. But I'm waffling, so I'm going. Have a good one, be good, and I'll see you soon.